Hey, are you tired of not getting paid what you're valued? I mean, I know how that feels. I mean, having to take some of these batches that you know are not going to pay even minimum wage sometimes, it's like, come on, man, I'm worth so much more than this. Well, if that's you, then I want you to stick around because I'm going to show you a side hustle, an AI side hustle that you can get involved with that will pay you on autopilot. So, I don't know. I mean, what are you doing? Just doing gig work? Well, I've talked to a lot of gig workers over time, and most of the ones that I've come across are kind of, you know, they really do have their nose to the grindstone. They really are grinding. You know what I mean? They're like, just they aren't really overly friendly. They're kind of focused. I get like that too. And it's weird when you're out there, right? Like you're just trying to make some money, and other people that are shopping are just being strolling around leisurely. Isn't that one of the most annoying things when people just stop in the middle of the aisle and start talking to another friend? Hey, how you doing? Wow, where you been? Oh my God. You're trying to get around them. You're trying to keep your time down, and you're only getting paid like $7, but they don't know and they don't care. It's funny, right? It's not funny in the moment, but it is when you start to think about it in other ways. And you're trying to tell a story or something. Well, I guess the thing is though is that I've also found that a lot of gig workers really aren't interested in network marketing. But not only have I found network marketing to be something that really was great for personal development because it challenges you in ways that you never even imagined, because it reveals like some kind of the weaknesses that you have, not only just in your character or just in your ability to convey yourself, to other people. Oh my God, I've struggled with it. I'm still struggling with it. I mean, so, I don't know, maybe all that personal development didn't do me a lot of good. Ugh. Well, anyway, so I finally found something that really fits me because it's all being done for you, which means that you get to keep doing gig work. And if you're trying to get out of gig work, look for something else that will totally replace gig work. And I think that this actually will eventually just totally replace the gig work earnings, and I won't have to do them anymore, which is very cool. And I'm kind of excited because the new launch that they just did, the leads are starting to come in now, up to like 40 leads, and Sparky AI is following up with them through text and email and phone calls, and I'm kind of just sitting back and watching and waiting. That's all you got to do. That's really what you got to do, especially for the first 30 days. And then if these leads, some of these leads don't convert, I mean you've got a whole list of leads that you can start marketing to for different things. But if you want to do that. But until then, just let Sparky do what Sparky does. And that's what this whole system was designed to do, was to bring in leads. You become a member. These leads come in from your membership. So you're allotted a certain number of leads based on your membership. And then Sparky starts following up with them and converts them. They decide to become members, and they want leads, or they want to be part of the opportunity where they want to position themselves to be like you, like a member who's receiving leads of people that are looking for leads. Well, there's a lot of people out there like that. So that would be cool too, is like if you get in, this would be a perfect opportunity to get into like a network marketing or MLM, because you can promote two of your own opportunities within the platform, and anybody that joins as a member is going to see like your opportunities along with other multiple income streams that they can join. I mean, it's an ingenious platform design, and it's it's just amazing. I mean, you've got to check it out. I mean, if you don't, I think that you're leaving money on the table, and you're rejecting an opportunity to have something working for you on autopilot. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this, really. Seriously. I mean, if your argument is I don't have time for another side hustle, well, that argument's out the window. Sorry, because this doesn't take any time. It takes a few clicks of a mouse. You know, that's all it takes. A few clicks of the mouse. You know, just click on the link below and check it out. Also, if you decided that you wanted to join an MLM, well, there are multiple streams of income built into the platform, so you could join any of 3, and there's going to be 5 different types of network marketing opportunities that will help you build teams automatically, so you don't have to go out there and bug your friends and family and then, you know, get rejected for every holiday get together in the future, and you don't have to go and talk to every stranger within 3 feet of you. Oof, that gets, I mean, people give you some really strange looks sometimes, you know. I mean, I could do it. I've done it before. I just have to be in the right frame of mind, you know. I mean, you've got to be in the right frame of mind when you start approaching complete strangers. Now, it's a lot easier behind a screen like this. Like, I imagine, I got the impressions from YouTube. I mean, they gave me my statistics, and it's like, yeah, we showed your video to like 60,000 people. What? Oh my God. Okay. Thank you. All right, so there's my kitten. Say hi, Stella. Stella, say hi. All right. So what I want you to do is just click on the link below. If you're looking for an opportunity that could replace your gig earnings, and you could potentially earn up to $16,500 from just one set. I got wasps flying around me now. That's crazy. I think I better get out of here. So, oh, by the way, this video is for educational, informational purposes only. There's no guarantee on income. Just saying, you know. Although all of this is done in an automated fashion, so, but the biggest part is whether or not you join and become a member. So, yeah, you've got to do that first. But you can join for free and check it out. I don't know why you do that though, but go ahead. So you got a full range of options. Doesn't even take a credit card. All right, I'm gonna get out of here for now. I'll check you on the next video. Oh, by the way, I want to do an update on my arm. So, like, you know, I was gonna do a video about an update and show you, you know, what I went through, but trigger warnings. There might be some gory stuff, so I'll definitely let people know. I'm not gonna just put it on a thumbnail or actually, you know, even just show it in the video without a warning. You know, like there'll be like a 6-second delay before I show any pictures or something. All right, catch you in the next video.